Hello, hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can stake your cryptocurrency and earn 89% annual yield by participating in Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad is also called IEO, and this is a really good opportunity to earn almost 80 to 90% staking reward. But make sure guys keep in mind that this reward constantly changing, but you can see whenever we are going to stake. So let's understand first what is an IEO. An IEO, also called Initial Exchange Offering, is a fundraising event that is administered by an exchange, such as Binance or Kraken. But for the demonstration of this video, we will use Binance. The project team conduct the fundraising and initial exchange offering means that the fundraising will be conducted on a well-known exchange fundraising platform. So in the past, a lot of people participated in the IEOs, but sometime the company become absconder. They take the money and run away. So to overcome this type of issue, now a lot of IEOs come into a well-known reputed exchange in order to get the fundraising for the project. The advantage of using by participating in Binance Launchpad is that it is flexible staking. So you stake it, and whenever you see okay the price go up, you don't have to wait. You can unstake or redeem, and instantly your cryptocurrency will be returned to your spot wallet, and then you can buy another, or you can sell your cryptocurrency for the exchange. So it's a basically just kind of a holding. You holding your cryptocurrency for a particular thing and earning money. So currently Binance Launchpad is offering the following IEOs. On the recording of this video, these are the current IEOs, but one maybe when you watching the video, the IEOs will be different or there will be not any IEO. So the first one is a Flemingo that I'm going to show you. The second one is Venus, which is also called XVS. And the third IEOs that is Binance Launchpad is offering is Alpha Financial Lab. So let's see what is Flemingo. Flemingo is basically an interoperable full-stack decentralized finance protocol built on the Neo blockchain. So all those guys who have a great interest on Neo blockchain, they can stake Flemingo and they can earn some free Flemingo by holding their cryptocurrency. So to read further, you can go into the Flemingo website. So the using of Binance Launchpad is the advantage is that whatever the IEO Binance is offering, they are going to list it on Binance. So once anything is on a great exchange like Binance, it will definitely go up. So what is Venus? Venus is basically a money market and stablecoin DeFi platform on Binance Smart Chain. It's kind of a stable coin for decentralized finance platform. You you can read further regarding what they are doing on this link. And the Alpha Finance Lab, an ecosystem of DeFi products on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. So it is basically Ethereum based. You can read further. For the scope of this video, I doesn't go into much more details, but it is really good before participating in an IEOs to read their white paper. So see how you can participate in Binance Launchpad or IEOs and earn some free Flamingo, Venus or Alpha Finance Lab and basically earn 90% reward. So head to your Binance account and log in using your credential. I highly recommend you to create a Binance account if you don't have, because if you are dealing with cryptocurrency, Binance is one of the top 3 cryptocurrency exchanges. So once you are here, I'm going to show you using Swipe, which is called XXP. So you can see I have 40 plus Swipe in my Binance spot wallet, and I have 1.03 BNB available because a couple of them I have already staked. All right. So here to go to the Binance Launchpad, you come here, and here you can see Binance Launchpad. All right. So all these 4 dots and Launchpad, and it will bring this exchange whatever the launchpad is offering at that particular time that whenever you use it. So currently you can see that the Binance Launchpad is forming Alpha Finance Lab, Venus, and Flemingo FLM. And recently they have completed the farming for Wing and Bella protocol, and they listed both of these cryptocurrency in their exchange, and Bella protocol price was rise up to 3 to 5x. All right. So first you can see if you have your BNB, you can stake. If you have your Binance USD, you can stake and earn Alpha Finance Lab. And but before staking particular thing, always check the reward. So you can see if you stake BNB for Alpha Finance Lab, your reward is 19%. But if you stake your BNB for XVS, your reward is 27%. But if you stake your BNB for Flemingo, your reward is 23%. All right. So the first that one I want to show using stake SXP, because you see the reward for if we stake SXP for Venus XXV, you can see the reward is 85% almost at time. And the last time I checked it was over 90%. So let's go. You press stake now. So here it will show all the information. You can see I already staked 30 SXP in the past, and I can stake again, and this is my unclaimed reward. I can claim it, and let's first stake couple of more, like 40 more SXP. And here you can see the time period. It will farming will end in 11 days and almost 7 hours, more than 7 hours. And all the information regarding Venus XXP is available here. So in order to stake and earn free approximately 85% yield, let's stake, and here they will ask you how much you want to stake. So you press maximum, or I go with 40 more. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, because leave little bit more. And here it will show past our API, and you just press stake. That's it, really simple. And once you do that, you can see now I have staked 70 SXP. So all my reward will be here, and I will claim my reward. And whenever I see, it doesn't you have to wait 11 days. Whenever you see, you can redeem and you can use your SXP, and you can keep your reward as well. All right. So let's go to the second. I stake some BNB for Flamingo as well. You can see I stake 5.4 BNB for Flamingo, and I already earned 2.65 Flamingo. And if I want to claim, I can claim, and the reward will go to, you can see the total reward now from 0 to 2.655. All right. And whenever I want, I can redeem as well. So the process is similar. You just press redeem and you enter your amount and you press redeem. Like for example, if I say okay 4 and you press redeem, so we'll get redeem. But I'm not redeeming now. So this is really good. So in order to get the best thing is first you check which cryptocurrency having a highest reward. From here I can see that the highest reward at the recording of this video is Venus using swipe, and that is approximately 84.93% annualized farming. And one more thing that I want to highlight, so whenever you see a particular cryptocurrency your stake is annualized yield is getting down, you can restake that. For example, I have some BNB for Alpha Finance Lab, and I can see for BNB it now reward is 19% as compared to if I stake for Venus I get 27% staking reward, and for Flamingo 23%. All right, so I go into staking. You can see here I have 4.5 BNB. So first I claim the reward, whatever reward I already have, and I go to redeem, and I redeem my BNB from this reward, because I'm going to use my BNB for Venus. All right, so I go into Venus, I go into stake, put maximum, let's use 4.5 and stake. All right, so now I have 5.5 BNB stake for Venus SXV. So you guys, whenever you see this video, you can check which is the maximum reward, and you can reshuffle after every day to get maximum reward. Because one more thing, that this farming is available till 30th of the October for these cryptocurrency like Flemingo, Venus, and Alpha Finance Lab. But when you are watching this video, maybe different launchpad has been available, or different IEOs that the finance is participating. So the process will remain same. You can stake the same. You can check the reward at that particular time, which IEO is giving highest reward. So you can stake that IEOs and redeem that. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and please, if you enjoy, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave your comment in the comment below, and I will provide you all your regarding information. Thank you guys. See you. Bye.